Welcome to Best Choice. The best Pit Boss Memphis Ultimate is probably one of the most versatile grilling machines on the market, offering an incredible 4-in-1 functionality that seamlessly transitions between a pellet grill, a charcoal grill, a smoker, and a griddle, making it the ultimate backyard cooking companion for anyone who loves to entertain or simply enjoys a delicious, perfectly cooked meal. Number 5. Ninja Woodfire OG 7017-in-1 Grill. Introducing the ultimate outdoor cooking companion. This versatile appliance combines a grill, smoker, and air fryer, all powered by electricity and infused with 100% real woodfire flavor. Experience the power of a full-size grill with incredible char and searing. It's perfect for cooking up to 6 steaks or 30 hot dogs at once. Achieve authentic barbecue bark and flavor with minimal effort. Just a half cup of woodfire pellets is all you need to create delicious, smoky results. Elevate your air-fried favorites with a touch of smoky goodness. You can even cook all your side dishes outdoors, adding a unique flavor dimension. Our innovative technology uses electricity and real burning wood pellets to create rich, visible, and delicious smoky flavor with any cooking function. Included are 2 blends of 100% real hardwood pellets. These are used purely for flavor, not fuel, ensuring you get the best taste with just a small amount. Designed for convenience, this appliance is weather-resistant, allowing you to cook and store it outdoors in any season. What we like. This grill offers incredible versatility, combining grilling, smoking, air frying, and more. If you love experimenting with different cooking methods and want that authentic wood-fired taste without the hassle, this is for you. Its portability and weather-resistant design make it perfect for small spaces or taking on the go. What people say. The added dimension of the smoked flavor is exquisite. I am using and liking the internal thermometer, that way I can see when it's nearing the target temp, without opening the cover to stick in a meat thermometer and losing smoke and heat. I think that's a great feature, worth the extra cost for it. This unit is amazing. I've always wanted to have a smoker and this one is just right. Big enough to provide for a crowd, but compact enough to move around. Number 4. Uniflasy Grill Replacement Parts for Pit Boss Memphis Ultimate 4-in-1 Combo Grill. Ensure a perfect fit for your Pit Boss Memphis Ultimate 4-in-1 Grill. These parts are designed to match your original components precisely. Please verify your measurements before ordering. This package includes 3 porcelain steel heat plates and 3 stainless steel burners. They offer the same great effect as original parts but at a much lower cost. Our heat plates are crafted from heavy-duty porcelain steel. They are thicker, more durable, and resist corrosion, ensuring a longer service life and better heat distribution. The burners are made from upgraded, food-grade stainless steel. They are non-magnetic, heavier, and more resistant to corrosion, providing better cooking performance and longevity. Cleaning is simple with no sharp edges. Just use a brush, soap, and water. Keep them dry to maximize their lifespan. Experience more even heat distribution and superior heat retention. These parts will make your food more appealing and help your grill look new again. What we like. If your Pit Boss Memphis Ultimate 4-in-1 grill needs a refresh, these replacement parts are the way to go. Made from durable stainless steel and porcelain-coated steel, they'll restore your grill's performance without breaking the bank. They offer a perfect fit and better heat distribution, making your grill feel new again. What people say. Works as intended. Easy to install. No instructions required. They fit like the OEM parts. Pleasantly surprised. Ease of replacement and works like original parts. Number 3. Traeger Pro 575 Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. Introducing the Traeger Pro 575. With Wi-Fi technology, you can monitor and control your grill remotely using your phone. Adjust temperatures, set timers, and get alerts for a seamless grilling experience. Achieve precise temperature control with its digital controller and brushless motor. This grill ensures consistent heat, perfect for everything from low and slow barbecue to high heat searing up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep an eye on your food's internal temperature without lifting the lid. The included Meat Probe provides accurate readings, ensuring your meals are cooked to perfection. This grill offers 575 square inches of cooking space, perfect for family gatherings. Grill up to 24 burgers, 5 racks of ribs, or 4 chickens at once. Enjoy the versatility of grilling, smoking, baking, roasting, braising, and barbecuing all in one. Experience authentic wood-fired flavor with just wood pellets. Designed with durable wheels and a stable chassis, it's easy to move around your backyard. This grill is built for both stability and portability. Part of the best-selling Traeger Pro series, this grill delivers proven reliability and unmatched wood-fired flavor. Trust in decades of innovation for every cook. What we like. For the tech-savvy griller who loves consistency, this pellet grill is a game-changer. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control your grill from your phone, ensuring perfect results every time. If you often cook for larger gatherings and want precise temperature control for everything from low and slow smoking to high-heat searing, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Solid and well-made grill, that's easy to assemble. It's a good size for a family. We actually like the Wi-Fi app option. Especially if you're prepping in the kitchen and need to check on temperature. Works perfectly, it's built very good. Heavy. The temps vary around 10 degrees. So it's excellent. Smoked salmon, ribs and tri-tips so far and no issues. Perfect taste. Number 2. Yukon Glory Barbecue Vegetable Grill Basket Set. Ready to take your weekend barbecue to the next level? This versatile set makes it easier than ever to cook and serve a variety of foods simultaneously, ensuring everyone at your table is delighted. Our 3-in-1 set allows you to grill your favorite vegetables, seafood, and more in separate baskets. Then, simply clip them onto the tray and serve directly from the grill to the table without any mess. Each individual basket ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked food. You can grill different items at the same time without their flavors mixing, ideal for serving multiple guests. Crafted from 100% premium quality, food-grade stainless steel, these accessories are built to last. They are heavy-duty, extra durable, and designed to never rust or corrode. The innovative design features a universal handle that easily clips on and off for safe serving. The smart tray catches juices, keeping your table spotless and reducing cleanup time. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your barbecue. This set is designed for maximum convenience and durability, so you can focus on the fun. What we like. If you love grilling vegetables, seafood, or smaller items but hate them falling through the grates, this basket set is your solution. It allows you to cook different foods separately and then serve them all at once with the convenient tray. If you're looking for a way to simplify grilling and serving for a crowd, this set is ideal. What people say. My husband loves to use the grilling baskets, especially the clip to take the baskets off the grill. We have been using them for 2 years now with no problems. Very sturdy material. The food cooked using these pans on the grill is excellent. They are super easy to clean. Delicious, trays worked perfectly as intended and were easy to remove from the heat and serve. We didn't experience any smell with first use and didn't find the edges of the tray sharp. Number 1. Bull 32-inch built-in grill cover. This cover is designed to perfectly fit your 30-inch built-in grill, ensuring complete protection. It's also compatible with a variety of other 30-inch grill models. Crafted from heavy-duty, fade-resistant fabric with a waterproof coating, it shields your grill from rain, sun, dust, and wind. Enjoy year-round protection with this heavy-duty waterproof cover. It's built to resist UV rays, rain, tearing, and cold, ensuring it lasts longer. Designed with breathable air vents and mesh barriers, it helps your grill cool down faster and prevents moisture buildup. With exterior-bound seams and high-density stitching, this cover is incredibly durable and rip-resistant. Plus, reflective tape makes it easy to spot in the dark. Measuring 32.7 L x 26 W x 11.8 H, it provides ample coverage for your built-in grill. What we like. Protect your investment with this heavy-duty grill cover. Designed to withstand rain, sun, wind, and cold, it offers year-round protection for your built-in grill. If you need a reliable, waterproof, and UV-resistant cover that also offers breathability and reflective tape for nighttime visibility, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The cover is well made and fits like a glove. It is well made and absolutely waterproof. The reflective strips are actually quite handy when it is dark and you are walking along in the dark. It stood up to a -40°C winter with no issues, though it did get a bit stiff, no cracks formed. It does a great job keeping water out, but because it's so thick, I have noticed some condensation pools on the very top of the 560 on the lid where it's flat, but it's never a concerning amount, just some droplets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.